Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be showing you guys how I install my wigs, how I do the part, how I conceal parts of the wig that are too light for my skin tone, meaning the lace. So this wig is from Wiggins Hair. So let me just show you guys the box that it came in. So this is the box that Wiggins Hair sent the wig in. It came with the wig, of course. It came with two bands, because once you split this in two, it's two different bands, just in case one wears off, like the elasticity. Then you have another band to use, like a replacement one. It came with a wig bag, so once I'm ready to pop this bad boy off, I could put it back in the bag, and it preserves it because it's silk, and you know, anything with silk goes well with hair. Then I get the wig cap. Don't use wig caps, but thank you so much. So that's the box that it came in. Shipping was really fast. This wig is their loose deep wave wig. I got 22 inches. It was a 13x6 wig. All the specs, as in the type of lace, the density, and the origin, like Brazilian, Malaysian, etc., will be in the description box below, so check it out. It will be at the top of the description box, just for you lovely ladies who would like to know what exactly I got. The link to this wig will be in the description box at the top of as well, for you guys who want to know more about the wig, or if you guys want to go and view the wig, of course. And this is actually a very gorgeous wave pattern. I love me some loose deep wave hair. I've been longing to get my hands on this, and I'm so happy that Wiggins sent me this wig, because the texture of loose deep is so pretty, and shedding on this is so minimal to none. So this is definitely a curly I would recommend for vacation, for anywhere that you're going that's windy, for anywhere that you're going that's humid, because it doesn't frizz up as big as your average deep wave or your average curly or jerry curly. This hair, it just stays how it is, especially once you put mousse on it. So I just love me some loose deep, and pretty much I show you guys every single thing I do in the installation process. So if you'd like to see, just keep on watching. The link again will be in the description box for this wig, so definitely go ahead and check it out, and I will see you guys in the next clip. Hey girls, so let's just get into this installation process. You won't be less than 15, so get your foundation and your concealer, because after you've cut your lace off, tint your lace, parted the wig, you're gonna want to flatten it, and you're gonna want to make your part as well. So I just dipped it in like that. I have a concealer and a brush. I'm using a concealer with a warm undertone because you want everything to match up. And as you can see, I tinted this side to the gods, not so much of this side, and I'll show you guys. Well, I mean, it's tinted, but it's not as dark as my skin is, so you can see like where it's like a light hue. We're gonna fix all of that. So I use this spray is called Rusk. You can use any hairspray of your choice. And what you want to do is spray your hair down after you've parted it, and you make sure that the part is nice and neat. You don't need to even pluck hair. The concealer will do that magic, but we'll get into that in a little bit. So you're gonna spray, and spray the back of the wig as well, because you want this part to be super flat. You want the top of your wigs to be flat. We're going in with a hot comb, and we're just pressing it down, ensuring that it's as flat as our braids, because one thing I definitely dread to see is a wig that looks like a wig. Our wigs are hair, so we don't even have to worry about our real hair, and we need to make sure that it's giving the illusion that it's our real hair. So this is what we're gonna do. So I've already flattened this side, and you can never be too flat, girl. Flatten it to the gods. And once you do that, should be end up looking something like this, like really, really flat. I'm gonna position my lace a little bit more like forward, like on my forehead, because we got a Rihanna size forehead, and that's okay. So right now we're gonna go in with cutting the lace on the side. Super easy, super simple. This wig is glueless, so it is absolutely 100% not glued down. Do you guys see the comb running underneath that? Illusions, honey. And I didn't use a band. This wig is automatically glueless. As long as you pretty much tighten the straps in the back, you'll be glued down for life, okay? And that's just on period. So we're gonna bring this forward and ensure that it's flat enough. If not, then you definitely are doing something wrong, which means that this piece is coming over your ear. We want it behind your ear, aka above your ear. So you're gonna want to cut off anything that's hindering your ear from being free. You need it to be like this. So in order to do that, we have to cut some more off the side. Let me go ahead and cut it off because it's like a super awkward angle, and then I'll come right back and with both sides cut off. Okay, so now that both sides are cut to how we actually need it and it's above our ear, we're gonna go in with the tinting. You guys can see, I can see from so far, so I need to make sure that I'm not tinting it too dark, which is why I barely apply product whenever I'm tinting. So this is literally my tinting process. As you can see, it like low-key disappeared. I just have to do it for the sides and boom. Do you see that blend? Like, okay, we see that blend, girl. So now we're gonna get into the parting situation, and in order to part this hair, ain't no tweezers needed, honey. We got our handy dandy concealer and pointed brush. It's like that. And right now, all you have to do, we're gonna go in from like the middle and make our way down. So we're just trying to create the straightest line we possibly can up to the beginning of the part. And then if it's crooked, so help me God. But this is straight enough. This is as straight as we're gonna get it today. And you always want to keep going in with your hot comb just to make sure that your wig is flat enough. Again, you can never be too flat with your wigs. So now that I've done all of that, this is what our wig should look like. So you can literally, this hair is so gorgeous, you can literally just wet it down and wear it like this, or you don't even have to wet it down. But I prefer baby hairs on my units. This unit is so gorgeous and you really don't need baby hairs. It came pre-plucked, but for the sake of this video, I will do baby hairs because a lot of people enjoy watching me doing baby hairs, or just like demonstrating how I get my baby hairs done. So I'm gonna pull some hair from the side. That's literally good enough. You don't need too much hair because we don't want your baby hairs to look like curtain drapes. No ma'am, no we don't. So take your razor. If your razor isn't sharp enough, I'm not sure how sharp this is. All right, it's decent. Once your razor is sharp enough, take your razor and your handy dandy toothbrush. Make sure you're using Got2b, or whatever glue, gel, wax, edge control you use on your wig's edges, And I make sure my toothbrush is always hard. I don't know why I like it that way, but if my toothbrush isn't rock hard, I don't think my edges will come out perfect. So that's what we're doing right now. So that's that for right there. Then we gotta do another one here. And you just do your baby hairs accordingly and do whatever works for you. I'm just showing you guys my method. I really feel like this is like super duper easy. It's not too much work. You don't have to be focusing on too much. And oh yeah, this hair texture is loose deep wave. I'm in love. Okay guys, I'm in love with it. I love me some loose deep hair, and this is from Wiggins. It's a 13x6 wig. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, so we've done 2 swoops, baby hairs, edges, and it's time to do this last one. And this is what ensures that your wig stays down, the corner. So the corner is like super duper important. You don't need too much hairs, and you really don't even need to cut it because the corner is usually short. And we're gonna take our got to be gel and swoop it. And boom. So everything that we did on this side, we're gonna do it to this side, and we're gonna just do a little time lapse just so it's quicker. And yeah. Okay, so we're back with our edges completed. So that's it. And right now I'm going to go ahead and run through it with the little bit of water I have left. And to be real with you, you don't need the water. This hair is really cute on its own. Like the pattern and all is gorgeous. When it's wet, it's even better. But if you have any type of mousse is what I would recommend for this. I wouldn't recommend water. Just in case you're trying to like have your waves on swim like 25/8, mousse is definitely the wave, but this definitely does the job, and it's a really really cute curl pattern. So Wiggins Hair, you did your thing, you showed out. I love this hair so much, and I cannot wait to take pictures in it and post it and all that good stuff, because this is it, honey. I can't wait to re-wear this wig all over again, because as you know, it's glueless, and once I go to bed, I take it off. And then I put it back on whenever, probably the next day, or probably whenever I'm in the mood to wear a certain type of hair. And this is one of those waves that is super duper easy to manage. It's super manageable. It doesn't take up all of your day. When it needs to get wet, it gets wet, and it does what it does. Cause do y'all see this pattern? I love it. So the water is like almost done, but I could bet you just that little bit of water is going to make such a difference. Okay, so this is the last of the water. Oh my god. All right, it's coming out heavy now. Good. And then as you can see, all the hair is just soaking up the water so easy. So you don't need to put like a ton of water in it. Like just a little bit of water goes a long way with this wig. This is so cute. This is definitely vacation vibe hair. So catch me at a vacation near you rocking this wig, because this is really cute. And if you live in a humid climate country, all right, I'm gonna take out this last bit. I would definitely recommend this wig for you. It's gorgeous, it's glueless, and it's super duper duper low maintenance. The pricing of this wig is super duper affordable. I will definitely leave the price in the description box. So this is a wig. It's super cute. Thank you so much, Wiggins Hair, for sending me this gorgeous 22-inch loose deep wave wig. And I'll see you lovely ladies in the next one. Don't forget to follow my Instagram and Twitter and Snapchat. They'll all be on the screen and in the description box, just so you guys can keep up with me when I post pictures in all these gorgeous wigs. And the links to this wig will be in the description box, so definitely check it out if you are looking to purchase a unit from Wiggins. This gets a 10 out of 10 rating from me. It's gorgeous. The curl pattern is to die for. And yeah, I'll see you lovely ladies in the next one.